How to use GoodRx to save on prescription step by step. To use the GoodRx to save on prescriptions, first of all, you have to simply download the free GoodRx mobile application or head to the official website. Then, all you have to do is tap on the search bar at the top and then search for a drug. Type in the exact name of your medication and select it from the drop-down list. Now you simply have to configure your exact prescription matching. Select the correct delivery method, doses, quantity, and type. Then prepare the local pharmacy's prices, enter your current zip code, and then identify the pharmacy offering the lowest price or the most convenient location for you. Now you simply have to save and display the free coupon and present the codes to your pharmacist, and there you go. This is how you can save up on GoodRx. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.